In this video, I'm going to teach you how to change graphics in WWE 2K25. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. You can actually change the graphical settings in WWE 2K25. The reason why a lot of people get confused about how to do this is because the graphical settings are hidden deep away into the game options. They have placed them in a very weird category. So what you have to do is from the home screen, press the right bumper, aka R1, until you switch over to the extras. When you go over to the extras category, you will have to access extras once more, so go to extras and then extras again, and finally this is where you will locate graphic settings. You will also have a bunch of other options like input settings, benchmark, and deletion utility. But of course, the main focus of this video is going to be the second one here. So like I said before, it is extremely weird that they placed the graphical settings under extras because usually there's always a dedicated category like display or graphics under the main options. But either way, once you access this page, you are now free to change anything you'd like. So you will see all of the settings listed here. Some of them will be grayed out, usually the graphics card that you are using labeled as the device, the memory because you cannot change these values at will, but anything that can be changed will be available. If you have multiple monitors, you can choose them from here, change the quality of specific features, so texture, shadows, action camera FPS, shadow quality, shader quality, anti-aliasing, and so on. Everything will be available for you to change. Just go left and right and browse through all of the options. You can disable most of these if the performance is poor and you have a very low-end PC, or increase them if you want higher graphical fidelity. After everything has been changed, make sure that you choose accept here to save everything and you are good to go. So I hope I was able to help you. If this video helped you, please consider subscribing. As you can see, according to our channel metrics, 83% of the people watching our videos are not subscribed. By subscribing, you can help us make higher quality videos. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.